Every indicator has its strengths, but you can't rely on just one because you'll lose many of your trades. Also, you can't combine indicators randomly. Why? Because your trading journey will become unpredictable and, in many cases, unsuccessful. However, if you subscribe to this channel, we will do all the hard work and find the best strategies that suit you. In today's video, I will show you a trading strategy that has almost 90% accuracy. It works with any instrument and in different time frames. Before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button. Without further ado, let's get started. If you are a beginner trader or an advanced one, I'm pretty sure you've heard the phrase, trade with the trend. Well, we'll be using this trend following concept. You already know that prices move in three ways: uptrend, downtrend, and consolidation. The strategy I'm about to show you focuses on trading whether the market is during an uptrend or downtrend. Head over to indicators and search for Momentum Bias Index. Add it to your chart. Next, navigate to the indicator settings and adjust the inputs as follows. Change bias length from 5 to 1 and impulse boundary length from 30 to 100. The Momentum Bias Index is designed to assessing market momentum bias. The indicator calculates the positive and negative bias of momentum to gauge which one is greater to determine the trend. Now let's add the second indicator. Search for RSI, Relative Strength Index, and add it to your chart. Then go to the indicator settings and adjust the inputs. Change RSI length from 14 to 9 and MA length from 14 to 20. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is a momentum-based oscillator which is used to measure the speed as well as the change of directional price movements. For the strategy, first, identify whether the market is in an uptrend or downtrend. To do this, check a higher time frame where it's easier to spot the trend. After confirming the trend direction on the higher time frame, switch to a 5-minute or 15-minute chart for more precise entry points. To take a buy position, two conditions must be fulfilled. First, the Momentum Bias Index indicator must change its color to green. Second, the RSI, Relative Strength Index, should be above the MA, Moving Average line. When both conditions are met, you're good to go ahead and take a trade. Take a trade here, placing your stop loss at the previous swing low and aim for a profit target that is twice the size of your stop loss. As you can see, it has hit our target. Now, for selling conditions, wait for the Momentum Bias Index to change color to red and ensure that the RSI, Relative Strength Index, is below the MA, Moving Average line. When both conditions are met, you're good to proceed and take a trade. Take a trade here, placing your stop loss at the previous swing high and aim for a profit target that is twice the size of your stop loss. There are hundreds of strategies out there, and we research and backtest strategies to share on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates.